Did you know that a simple smoothie can supercharge your health? Start your day with a ginger turmeric smoothie and unlock the benefits of these powerful ingredients. Try this today. Blend together 1 cup of almond milk, 1 ripe banana, a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, a teaspoon of ground turmeric, and a tablespoon of honey. This delightful concoction is not just easy to make, but also packed with anti-inflammatory properties and digestive health benefits. Imagine sipping on a vibrant yellow smoothie that not only tastes amazing, but also keeps you energized and ready to conquer the day ahead. Ginger aids digestion and alleviates nausea, while turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Together, they create a refreshing drink that can help reduce inflammation and support gut health. For an extra nutrient boost, add a handful of fresh spinach, which blends seamlessly and enhances the smoothie's vibrant color. This energizing drink is perfect for breakfast or a midday pick-me-up. Would you try this? What's your favorite healthy food hack? Share your thoughts with us and start your journey to a healthier you today.